Hey y'all, welcome back for another wash day or wash and go video. If the sound sounds crazy, I'm sorry, I don't have my usual microphone, but we'll get past that. I'm gonna be honest, my braid out was still looking kind of good on this wash day. My scalp just felt a mess. So as you can see here, I'm just making sure that my hair is getting soaking wet. This is kind of like a pre-rinse. I wanna make sure I'm lifting any dirt off my scalp, especially because I didn't pre-poo. I just really wanted to make sure I was getting the water and moisture to my scalp, and also like pulling out any shed hair so that my wash day can go just a little bit smoother. For my first shampoo, I'm going in with Pattern's formerly known as clarifying shampoo. I believe it's called cleansing now. I've just had my bottle for a really long time. But anyways, I like to emulsify it a bit, focusing more so on my scalp. I probably used a little too much because I definitely went back in, re-upped so I could hit my kitchen. But I just really like to massage the shampoo into my scalp, especially when it's clarifying, because I want to lift up any dirt, debris, scalp, flakes, product. I want all of it off my scalp as much as I possibly can. And once I feel like my scalp is in really good shape, I will pull the shampoo down the length of my hair. And I also like to try and like finger detangle just a little bit. I know just keeping my strands as separated as much as possible, they don't really tangle as much, and it just makes wash day a lot easier. But I like to make sure this is fully rinsed out, especially in the middle of my hair. My hair is really dense and thick in the middle of my head. So make sure the water runs clean before I start to shampoo my hair again. So you know I had to keep it in the family. I followed up with the hydration shampoo from Pattern Beauty. I used just enough, emulsified it, didn't want to go in with too much. Still want to focus on my scalp in the beginning, but not too much either, because you don't want to irritate your scalp. And then I also focus on my strands. Followed up with the hydration because once you get everything off of your hair, this is the perfect time to get hydration back into your strands. Make sure my coils are really good and hydrated before I add moisture. You need both. You gotta have hydration and the moisturization, okay? And then I really did take my time, make sure this was fully rinsed out, because I feel like this was in my hair. So that is it for the shampoo portion of this video. Let's keep it moving. To deep condition my hair, I went in with the Cecred Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. I know I haven't did a dedicated review to this product line, but I really think I like the deep conditioner. It does anything that a regular deep conditioner does, and I apply it the same way. I like to make sure that my hair is soaking wet. I like to squeeze the conditioner into my strands. I want to make sure I'm getting all the benefits, all the moisture. You know, we've clarified, we've added the hydration, and I want to lock that in with moisture. So that's what you see me doing here. And I like to make sure that my hair is soaking wet when I apply conditioner, because that just helps with the slip. It helps me detangle. And if y'all look close enough, I really feel like this product is melting into my hair. Like, this was such a refreshing wash day for Fred. I don't even know what to tell you. Now, I did let this conditioner sit for about 10 minutes. I did not add any additional heat. And I'm gonna be honest, y'all, I really didn't detangle like I should have. That is something that I really need to work on, because one of y'all reminded me that that helps to like smooth my hair down, especially like when I have this conditioner on it, just making sure all my strands are really getting the goodness that it needs. So I need to be more intentional with detangling and smoothing product through my hair, because I really want to focus on length retention. So thank y'all. I be listening to y'all in the comments. I really do. I really appreciate it, because I'm not a professional. I just like to share my hair care journey with y'all. I wanted to use the Pattern Beauty Palo Santo leave-in conditioner because I feel like it's lightweight. It doesn't really hold my hair down, but it packs a lot of moisture. I wasn't applying this to my entire head. I really just wanted to focus on my ends because they're the oldest part of my hair. It's almost time for a trim. So I focused this more so on like the ends of my hair. And I also didn't want it to interact with the gel because this was my first time using it. Okay, and today's brand new product is the Ouidad Moisture Lock Extreme Hold Gel. It is quite thick. And when I think extreme hold, it gives me 𝐒𝐿 Jello shot. Like, that is what I was thinking. So my method for today's wash and go is like the Dicky method. I have other videos that will be linked in the description box if you haven't seen or heard of this. But more about this gel. According to Ulta's website, it says Ouidad Moisture Lock Extreme Hold Gel is a clear, flake-free gel that will give you strong hold while keeping your curls hydrated. Formulated with aloe, flaxseed oil, and castor seed oil, it provides maximum hold while moisturizing and helping to strengthen curls. I will say that this gel was kind of stiff. I wish it had like a more gelatinous consistency, but I really like the elongation that it's giving my hair. We're gonna see how I feel about the moisture, and if I feel like it really locked in, we'll talk about that a little later. But all in all, like, so far, the wetness is looking really good. You know, if it looks good wet, it's probably gonna look really good dry. So stay tuned to find out. I sat underneath my hooded dryer until my wash and go was completely dry. So this is the result, untouched, unstretched, just straight from underneath the dryer. The scalp is clean, there's no flakes. Even though, you know, I like to go in a little heavy. And this is what my hair looks like after I stretched it. I am going in with just a little bit of hairspray because I want to see if that helps to hold it so I don't have to stretch my hair every single day. But y'all, what do y'all think? Well, it lasted for about 5 days. The moisture lasted as well. My hair did not feel dried out. I really like this first impression of this moisture lock gel from Ouidad. I'm so glad y'all encouraged me to try it. I'll see y'all next time.